This small gray songbird is known as the American dipper, Cinclus mexicanus, and it has a hidden talent. It dives underwater into freezing mountain streams to feed. On this episode of Animal Analysis, Cinclus mexicanus, the American dipper. The American dipper ranges throughout mountain streams in western North America, as shown on this map. It's winter here in Calgary, -15 degrees Celsius, and still, this dipper is diving into the freezing water to catch invertebrates. While not diving for prey, this dipper rests underneath a rock in a stream bed, attempting to shield himself from the wind and snow. Dippers have thick coats of water-repellent feathers to stay dry and warm in the chilly mountain streams, and are the only aquatic passerine birds. But these feathers require constant pruning to keep them functional and healthy. Like most bird relationships, the position of the dippers is debated, though they are always placed in superfamily Muscicapoidea, along with the thrushes, starlings, and thrashers within the passerines. The Cornell lab currently has the dippers sister to a clade containing both the thrushes and the Old World flycatchers, though some sources place them sister to the starlings instead. In total, there are 5 species of dippers in the family Cinclidae: the rufous-throated and white-capped dippers in South America, the American dipper in North America, and the white-throated and brown dippers in Eurasia. Within the family Cinclidae, the American dipper is sister to a clade containing both South American species. The dippers are a distinct group, and you'd only confuse them with each other. The easiest way to tell them apart is by knowing which continent you're on. The brown and white-throated dippers are the only two that overlap in Central Asia. It's March, and this dipper is looking to attract a mate. Dippers are monogamous, meaning they only mate with one individual at a time and will raise their offspring together, nesting alongside the stream, often under bridges. This individual is dipping up and down in the stream while blinking its uniquely feathered white eyelids very quickly. It hops onto a raised rock and points its beak in the air while flicking its wings and tail. And here comes another dipper. Things quickly get heated. And then it's all over. The pair continues dipping for a few seconds, and then they swim off to die from invertebrates. The most amazing thing about these songbirds is how they feed. Dippers spend their whole lives close to streams, and feed in a few different ways. One method involves wading through fast-moving shallow sections, dipping their heads underwater to look for aquatic insects, crustaceans, and even small fish grab with their beaks. Another, more active method is swimming or using a perch like a rock to dive underwater, propelling themselves with their wings, and walking along the stream bed in search of small animals to catch. American dippers can spend over 20 seconds underwater searching for prey at a time. Evidence points to the origin of dippers in Eurasia during the Pleistocene, with them colonizing the New World later, roughly 4 million years ago. The few fossils we have discovered are being attributed to the extant white-throated dipper. American dippers are an incredibly interesting species. Until next time, on Animal Analysis. Subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed the video.